Before we begin this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon to be notified for my upcoming videos that I'll be uploading on my channel.
So let's go, guys. Where's my win? I don't know. There we go, guys. Frankie did not touch the grass. He didn't have to walk. He was pushed by the wind. Here goes Frankie. Your neighbor, really? Yeah, my neighbor is super skinny. He's a nice guy, but he's really, really skinny. I'm trying to get his body weight up, so he's asking me my advices. By the way, he increased 15 kilograms in the past few months, which is great. So I'm getting there to build him up. That's a 3 bonus spot, and hot spot, I mean. Andy, bro. Alba, what's up, baby? Whee! So yeah. Plug it in. All right, let's do it, buddy. So, guys. Yeah. Anyway, guys. Wow, look at that Frank over here. You guys can see Frank over here. That dude is massive. All right. Anyways, really, I'm so distracted now. All right. 200 extras and double area. Ooh, right in the middle. All right, double area. Where are you going? Upper and below. That was a really fast one. Usually, sometimes it goes more. All right. Back to my game. Top 3 let's go, guys. Nice session. Thank you, Sherry. Much appreciate it, baby. Let's go. All right, guys. Let's bring it on. Daddy, what is the big win today? 2,500. 2,500 on hotspot, yeah. I forgot the name, almost there. So yeah, Fireball 50X. Fireball 50X. No, we got a 3X on the hotspot with 2X on the battery charger. So having a Fireball with the 50X, that's a dream come true for a lot of players, actually. Because everybody loves Fireball. Everybody do love Fireball so much. That's all leave, guys. One pad. Nigga, welcome in, guys. Even small sleeves, actually, two pump. Sherry, 2 of them. Whoa, nice. It's pretty dope, actually. 2 of them. Awesome. By the way, Bob, are you seriously going to the gym or no? And yeah, Sherry, I'm helping my neighbor to become a little bit bigger, you know? I'm the only one motivator that helps him to grow a little bit of muscle and everything. He's been struggling. He's a very skinny guy. And, since I'm a nice person, I love helping people out. It's hard to say no. Car says leaf. Yeah, that's a leaf card. Yes, and Sherry says yes in the 1 session. Jeez, that's actually crazy. That's a leave, guys. 1 to 1 pan. Again, you can most welcome in. Guys, by the way, I could spend this thing going for the session. Instead of like 2 seconds, like 80 minutes. I'll be like here like 120.
Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. pulling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots, and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Big lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase.
Able to drink a coffee? I drink like coffee 2 times per day, usually. But I drink my coffee with honey, because honey and coffee increases your testosterone, increases your everything. So yes, guys, how are you getting? I'm okay, man. Chilling, man. So do you drink milk? Says someone. Milk? Yeah, sometimes I do drink a milk, usually with my protein shake. Usually I use milk for my protein and cream.
Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you can now replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside. Triggers fast once she's naked, her body's a creation. Triggers fast once she's naked, her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement.
Milk or whose milk? Oh, okay. Jack said that's good. I watched Champions League tonight, so not bad. It's also there. So, all right, who's winning over there? Who's sitting home? Come on, 5x15. Come on, gimme, baby. Woo! Come on, let's go. Sherry said naughty. Wow. Talking about what kind of milk I drink. Monster Mash. I will tell you about the milk. What kind of milk I drink? I will tell you after this bonus game. So audible 5x, baby. Let's go, guys. I see some hundreds over there. 100x. How about that? Come on. All right, Frank. 20 legs, 10 body, and 35x. Could be better, right? But anyway, 35. Decent. It's decent, guys. So 540 winners with Jack. Gavin on top with $8,000. Crazy Time Noob. I'm a guy top five. Did I just say Crazy Time Noob? His nickname is Crazy Time No. Oh no! I'm sorry! I just called a random person a noob. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, not sorry. I am sorry. Whoops. My bad. I thought that's his nickname. Go back to Crazy Time, says Jack. So there was a... Okay. Oops. Sorry, Mr. Crazy Timer. I misread your nickname. Come on, hotspot, come on. Oh, baby, 10x hotspot. Let's go. Woo. I smell cash. Get. X's. Beautiful. Yeah, big biceps. 10 out of 14 winners. Good job, guys. Compliment your body. Beautiful. All right, guys, how much you had? Elsa, 1000x. Woo! Let's go, baby. Christine is having 1000x. Good job, girl. Trish, Andy's on a fire. Man, this station is fire indeed. There we go. You are Poppy. No, Andy, says Alice. Let's go, guys. Yo, Fireball, come on. Come on, fire. Yo, we got a Giga Chat session going down there. 7X Fireball, number 6. So let's go. Man, this is nuts, man. Holy moly macaroni, 3,400X. 3,400X. Wow, this is insane. So let's get her, bud. Come on. Come on, Ball. Drop in, baby. All right, Ball, where are you going? What are you running? All right, what we got here? What we got? 105. Okay, decent. We'll take it. 105X. Come here, Ball. I mean, could be a little bit better, but it is what it is. 105X on the black, guys. Look at that ball, man. Get out there, thank you. No. I'm breaking out the sweat a little bit. Chat also is entertaining. So Sherry, hey, thanks, baby. I love my chat. I love my lightning storm chat. This is so amazing over here. I love you, Andy. Me Handy. Mandy, I love you too, guys. You guys are amazing tonight. Man, yo, we have a lot more players now. That's thanks, Andy. You're welcome. What's up? We got a lot more players. We had 800. We had only 800 players. Now we got 2,000. Man, I'm famous. So thank you. You're welcome. The most lovable host says, Mr. Lex. Thank you, Mr. Lex. Thank you, Mr. Lex. Thank you, sir. You're a legend. Thank you, Mr. Houston. And that's gonna be lead, guys. One-to-one payout. We got newcomers welcome in. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Surrounding wins. We got guys with Gunburn on top side. Let's go, guys. So there we go. Frank said. Jack says, Andy, nice, bro. Man. I mean, on the fireball, it could be better. On the fireball, we could have a little bit better, but 105X multiplier. I mean, not bad. It was 105. 105, baby. So let's go. Oh, what a beautiful night. I'm glad I'm today in this session with you guys. We had 600X on a fireball, no, on the battery charger. We had a 1000X on the hotspot. Can we get that number 12, please? With the 3X. Oh, man. Nico, hola, amigo. Woo. Let's go. Yeah, Mr. Gunburn. Here comes another one. Another one. Let's go, guys. Oh, man. So many tops up. This is 1,400X. Gonna be the max multiplier over there, guys. So, everybody, best of luck. Come on. Drop me in that ball on the red, baby. Come on. Go on the red. No. Ooh, that's like a 60 or something. That's like a 60, I think, right? Yeah, all right, let me check, guys. Let me check that thing. Yeah, 300X down below. Bro, there was a 300X down below. Oh, man. Naughty. Crap, that's not bad. I mean, it's still decent. It's still decent for the multiplier. Hey, how to do with this good, guys? Compliments, guys. What do you want to eat? I'll treat you, Andy. Yo, tomahawk steak, let's go, baby. We can go for tomahawk steak, or we can go adobo. Adobo is a Filipino food. We can, so I appreciate it. Well, I'm treating my kids really good tonight. Yo, Sean, I heard that song, man. It's crazy song over there. Wait, who did that song? It was Blackpink with, Yo, no, stay there. Schmoly. 15X 13, man, come on. Let's go, robot. Let's go, Mr. Robocop. Yo, hit it, daddy. We're gonna multiply everything by 15X right over here, guys. And the max multiplier, 7,500X over there. Everybody, and best of luck. Come on. All right, be nice. All right, what is that? I cannot see that far. Whoa, man, 1,875. Look at that. Check it out. Check it out for yourself. It's 1,875 X on the wins, $63,000. Look at those wins over there. It's absolutely insane. Good job for the older winners in top fives. I couldn't read them out of excitement. Oh man, this is the best session I ever had in the Lightning Storm ever. Baby, this is crazy. Wow. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Sherry. No problem, baby girl. Woo. This is Wild Strawberry. Yeah. This is absolutely like I never thought we would go that far. I thought I'm going to have a chill session. I was actually thinking I'm going to have a chill session with you guys just hanging out and joking around and that's it. But no, boom. Look at this. It's going crazy. Leave, guys. 112 pad. You can risk welcome in, guys. Place your bet. A1's odds leads extra chances. Do it. Gunburn, then we got AS and AD top 3. Good job, guys. All right. Thanks, Daddy. You're the man.